Okay, so good day. As we move to values-based and authentic leadership, we now enter the moral and ethical core of executive leadership. At the highest level no, at the highest level of responsibility, leadership is no longer judged solely by the results, but by how those results are achieved. Value-based leadership emphasizes that decision, the behaviors, and the strategies must be grounded in clearly articulated principles. Authentic leadership, on the other hand, focuses on consistency between the leader values, action, and identity. In an era of increasing scrutiny and accountability, executives are expected to lead with integrity and transparency. And this topic addresses leadership as a matter of character, not just competence. No, it challenged leaders to align personal values with organizational purpose. Without this alignment, leadership loses credibility and trust. Value-based leadership begins with clarity, no, clarity of personal beliefs, ethical standards, and guiding principles. Executives influence organizations not only through policies, but through the values they consistently demonstrate. And these values shape culture, decision-making norms, and employee behavior. Leaders who fail to articulate or live their values create confusion and mistrust. An executive level, no, even small inconsistency are magnified. No, values-based leadership requires leaders to make difficult choices, especially when values conflict with short-term gains. And this topic emphasizes that leadership integrity is tested most during moments of pressure and compromise. No, values serve as an anchors in complex and uncertain environments. Authentic leadership builds on values by emphasizing self-awareness and relational transparency. Authentic leaders understand who they are, what they stand for, and why they lead. They do not perform leadership as a role, no, but live it as an expression of their identity. And this does not mean perfection or inflexibility. Rather, it means honesty about strengths, limitation, and intentions. Authentic leaders invite trust by being consistent and genuine. At the executive level, authenticity strengthens credibility across stakeholders. And this topic highlights that people follow leaders they believe in, not just leaders with authority. In supervisory and executive context, values-based and authentic leaders directly affect employee engagement and organizational culture. Employees are more committed, no, when they believe their leaders act fairly and consistently. Leaders who demonstrate authenticity foster psychological safety and openness, and this encourages ethical behavior, accountability, and collaboration. Conversely, leader who expose, no, values they do not practice undermine morale and trust. The gap between words and actions becomes a source of cynicism. No? And this topic reinforced that leaders' credibility is built daily through consistent behavior. Authentic leadership transforms values from statements into life experiences. Value-based and authentic leadership are critical for sustainable organizational success. Short-term performance achieved at the expense of values often leads to long-term damage. So, executive must consider the broader impact of their decisions on people, institutions, and society. So, this topic challenges leaders to lead with moral courage and purpose. It asks leaders to reflect on the legacy they are creating. Leadership is ultimately about stewardship, not self-interest. So as we explore this topic, reflect on how your values shape your leadership choices and influence others. Then, to deepen our understanding, it is important to recognize that value-based leadership is not about imposing your personal beliefs on others, but about acting consistently within an ethical framework that respect human dignity and organizational purpose. Executive leaders now operate in pluralistic environments where employees come from diverse backgrounds, beliefs, and experiences. Values-based leadership provide a common moral ground that guides behavior despite these differences. And it promotes fairness, respect, and accountability as shared expectation. When a leader articulate values clearly and live them consistently, they reduce ambiguity in decision making. This clarity helps employees understand not only what is to expect or, understand not only what is expected, but why it matters. Values thus become a stabilizing force in complex organization. Authentic leadership also requires courage, no? Particularly the courage to be vulnerable in appropriate and professional ways. Executives are often expected to project confidence and certainty, yet authentic leaders acknowledge when they not have all the answers. This openness does not weaken authority, rather, it strengthens trust and credibility. Employees are more likely to engage with leaders who demonstrate humility and honesty. Authentic leaders admit mistakes and learn from them, modeling accountability for the organization. And this behavior creates a culture where learning is valued over blame. In this sense, authenticity supports both personal growth and organizational resilience. In executive decision making, values-based leadership becomes especially visible during ethical dilemmas. Leaders frequently face situations where legal compliance alone is insufficient to determine the right course of action. Decision may involve layoffs, resource allocation, conflict of interest, or public accountability. Values helps leaders navigate these gray areas with consistency and moral clarity because authentic leaders reflect on how their decisions align with their stated principles and they consider the long-term impact on trust and reputation, not just immediate outcomes. Sure. This approach reinforces leadership legitimacy and strengthens institutional integrity. Ethical consistency becomes a strategic asset. Another critical dimension of values-based leadership is role modeling. At the executive level, leaders are constantly observed, whether formally or informally. Employees interpret leaders' behavior as a signal of what is truly valued in the organizations. When executives prioritize integrity, respect, and fairness, these values cascade throughout the organization. When leaders tolerate unethical behavior or inconsistency, it normalizes misconduct. Authentic leadership recognizes the symbolic power of executive behavior. Leader must therefore align their daily action with with their espoused values. Leadership influence is exercised as much through example as through policy. Right. Value-based leadership also strengthens employee engagement and retention. People are more likely to commit to organizations where leadership demonstrates moral consistency and purpose. Authentic leaders create environments where employees feel seen, heard, and respected. And this sense of belonging enhances motivation and discretionary effort. Employees are willing to go beyond minimum requirements when they trust their leaders. Values-driven organizations also attract talent, no? With their mission in competitive environments, this alignment becomes as a strategic advantage. No? Leadership authenticity thus contributes directly to organizational sustainability. From a supervisory perspective, values-based leadership guides how leaders manage performance and discipline. Authentic leaders address issues directly but respectfully ensuring fairness and due process. They avoid favoritism and inconsistency, which erode trust. Performance expectations are clearly linked to organizational values, not just numerical targets. And this approach reinforces ethical accountability at all levels. Leaders who are consistently applying standards strengthen perceptions of justice. Over time, this builds a culture of responsibility and professionalism. Values become operationalized through leadership practice. It is important to note that values-based and authentic leadership are not static. They are evolved as leaders grow and context change. Self-reflection is essential to ensure continued alignment between values and actions. Executive must periodically reassess their assumptions, biases, and priorities. Authentic leadership requires ongoing self-awareness and openness to feedback. Leaders who stop reflecting risk becoming disconnected from their values. So continuous reflection sustains leadership integrity over time. Authenticity is maintained through deliberate and conscious practice. So, and then, or in closing, this values-based and authentic leadership remain as that leadership effectiveness is inseparable from ethical responsibility. Executive leaders are steward of trust, culture, and institutional purpose, and their decisions shape not only organizational outcomes but also human experiences. Leadership grounded in values creates organizations that are resilient, credible, and socially responsible. Authentic leadership ensures that authority is exercised with humility, no, and integrity. As leaders, the question is not only what result we achieve, but what kind of leaders we become in the process. This reflection is central to executive leadership maturity. Sorry. So, the value-based and authentic leadership from the ethical backbone of executive leadership, they remind us that leadership effectiveness is inseparable, as I mentioned, from character and integrity. So as we move forward, no, toward strategic thinking and executive decision making, this principle will remain essential. No, leadership without values may achieve results, but leadership with values build lasting impact. Ultimately, authentic leaders leave organizations stronger than they found them. Okay? So I think that's it for this